as you know, there are problems that we can't exempt ourselves from them. Like, for example, you can't exempt yourself from your phone being stolen or getting lost. So in order to be on the safe side, like your phone contacts to be safe, you need to back them up onto your Google account. So onto this video, I'm going to show you how you can get to back up your phone contacts to your Google account. So let's get to do it. Get to tap onto the contacts application. Then you know, the interface might differ, but the concept is the same. Then get to tap onto the three dots icon over there, then tap on settings. Remember, we are going to back up phone contacts to a Gmail account, to a Google account. So when you get over here, you're going to tap on contacts and then choose where the contacts are. Do you want to back up the contacts onto the first SIM card or the second SIM card, or the contacts that are onto your phone? It's upon you to decide. So for me, I'm gonna back up those ones onto my first SIM card of Airtel. So you know, you can get to choose a single contact or a couple of contacts to back up, or you can get to take all the contacts. It's upon you to decide. Once you're done choosing one or a couple of contacts or all of them, you then get to tap done and choose that particular Google account to which you want to back up your phone contacts on. But for now, mine are already backed up, but just get to tap onto that particular email address like this one and get to back up your phone contacts. So that's how easy it is.